Hello students, welcome to Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Chapter 3 Entrepreneurship Development Part 4. Entrepreneurship Development. Entrepreneurship is a purposeful activity of an individual or a group of associated individuals undertaken to initiate, maintain, and increase profit by production and distribution of goods and services. So, students, here we had learned the meaning of entrepreneurship development. In the next part, that is the now we are going to learn about the characteristics of the entrepreneurship. Characteristics of an entrepreneurship. First point is innovation. Entrepreneurship is an innovation. Introduction of new combination of factors of production is also a innovation. A new product arrives in the market where entrepreneur uses new production technology, discover new sources of supply of raw material and opens a new market for the specific product. In view of changing taste of consumer from time to time, entrepreneurship focuses on research and development. It means as a customer always they need new product. So that new product comes when entrepreneur always do the research and development about the need of the customer and then only they brings the new product in the market and that new products will able to satisfy the need of the customer. So innovation is done by the new combination of factors of production and by doing the research and development which brings the new product in the market and which satisfy the customers. Second point is economic activity. An entrepreneur produces a new product for the customer as per their needs. It means whatever the need of the customer, whatever the wants of the customer, entrepreneur try to produce that product according to the need and the wants of the customer. Entrepreneur feels that if we will supply the product according to the needs of the customer, then they will able to satisfy human wants as well as in exchange they will able to earn a huge amount of profit. It is a systematically planned activity as per the skill and knowledge of entrepreneur because here they are satisfying to the customer as well as earning the money by selling the profit to the customers. So that's why it's a proper planned activity. Hence, entrepreneurship is an economic activity. Third point, organization building. It is an activity where various factors of production have to be organized. Place utility, time utility, form utility, etc. has to be considered to collect them under one roof for the new production. Fourth point, creative activity. Innovation should have a strong support of creativity. Introducing creativity in producing something new is a big challenge for the entrepreneur. Thus, creativity is an essential part of entrepreneurship. Creativity, students, is very important, as if there will be no creativity, no innovation in any of the product, then no organization will able to earn huge amount of profit, as every time customer wants new varieties of product to satisfy their need, as well as when there will be creativity or innovation in the product, organization will also able to earn huge amount of profit, as well as they will able to increase the image or goodwill of the organization in the market. So that's why creativity is the most important part. Fifth point, managerial skill and leadership. A person who wants to be a successful entrepreneur should have more passion of doing something new rather than just earning the profit. It means always a successful entrepreneur should come up with a new invention in the product technology, so that they will able to earn more amount of profit, as well as they will able to achieve more satisfaction, or they can give more satisfaction to the customers. Leadership and managerial skills are the important part of entrepreneurship. It means an entrepreneur should have a good leadership skill as well as the managerial skills. Both the skills are the most important part. Other skill can be considered as secondary, like communication skill. But leadership and managerial skill should be perfect to the entrepreneur. An entrepreneur must have the ability to lead and manage all the things in the organization. Sixth point, skillful management. The success of any entrepreneurship depends on the management of the organization. It means how entrepreneur manage the organization. If he is managing properly, then obviously there will be the success of the entrepreneurship. With professional management and the skilled managers, entrepreneurship becomes successful activity. So that's why, students, every entrepreneur should be a profession as well as skilled in whatever work he is doing. Then only they will able to achieve success in the market. Seventh point, risk bearing. Uncertainty is defined as a risk which cannot be insured against and is incalculable. Uncertainty refers to condition where you are not sure about the future outcomes. Students, for example, when the economy is going bad and which causes everyone to worry what will happen next, it is a one kind of uncertainty, like what the situation is going on nowadays around the world. It's one kind of uncertainty risk. Entrepreneur is an agent who buys factors of production at certain prices in order to combine them into the products. All the raw material will be purchased by the entrepreneur, and he thought to make a new product and to sell them at uncertain prices in future. Thus they too are the risk bearing agent in production. Eighth point, gap filling function. The most significant or the important feature of entrepreneurship is gap filling. It is the entrepreneur's job to fill the gap or make up the deficiencies which always exist in the knowledge about the production function. Thank you, students.